Hi, welcome to the channel, and I thought I'd give a bit of an update of what I've been up to in the last couple of months. While I've not really been posting any content, certainly on YouTube, but I've been fairly quiet on other social media fronts as well. Essentially I took a bit of time off. Work was hectic, and I just needed some downtime, so for all, I do get a lot of pleasure and a lot of relaxation out of 3D printing and modelling, etc. I just felt that I needed to take that rest, so that's what I did. I came back feeling a lot fresher for it, so that was good. And then I started playing with the building generator from Fernando Jerez, and as you know, if anybody's paid even slight bit of attention to my social media and to my YouTube channel, then you'll know that I'm a big fan of Fernando, and especially if you've listened to, unfortunately we didn't have much video, but if you've listened to the interview that I did with him on the In Full Making Conversation, then you'll know that I'm a big fan of his work, and I think the guy has moments of absolute pure genius. And the building generator is one of them. Really works well. I've had a lot of fun playing with making tile sets for the building generator, and then also from there I kind of took that a step further and used those tile sets just to hand create some building models, which again was fun, and learnt more. Even though I've been using it for years, learnt more about the CAD package that I use. So that was really good fun. What it did do is spark a little bit of an idea in my mind that I should still be pushing myself and learning new things. So today I kind of had a first play with the sculpting in Fusion 360, and I have to admit that for all I thought I'd be rubbish, I was always terrible at plasticine modelling and all that sort of thing, but I really enjoyed it. It was quite good, and you know, I made a lot of mistakes, but I just carried on with it and pushed through, and learnt from those mistakes. And the model that I finished up with, it kind of looks okay, but it's not what I was looking for from a finished point of view, but that's fine. I'm more than happy to throw that away and now start again with the knowledge that I've got. So hopefully that will see me producing some different types of models going forward. So a bit of fun, and we'll see where we go with that one. Okay, so that was just a quick update. If you've made it this far, thanks a lot for watching. I really do appreciate it. As I've said lots of times, I do intend to try and put more content out on this channel, so please subscribe if you want to see more like this. If you liked this video for whatever reason, then give it a thumbs up, and that would be great. I would really appreciate it. Okay, so thanks a lot, and I'll catch you next time.